everyone, I thought I would talk to you about round oval shaped cots. So this is a Stokke sleepy cot which I used to have for Killian when he was a tiny baby, and before I had my own mattresses, before I brought out my own brand of mattresses, this was the crib I used. Now lots of people contact us asking us if our mattress protector fits on this cot. So I wanted to show you what I did and how it fits so that you can see that it is safe to use. The Save Our Sleep Mattress Protector. As you know, the mattress protector is one of the most important parts of following the bedding guide. So this is the normal Save Our Sleep Mattress Protector, and this is how I used it on the Stokke cot. So if you have the Stokke crib, you can use the Save Our Sleep Mattress Protector. I'll show you how it fits. So I would put it on like this. Now, I would always put it on, I would turn it upside down and pull it quite in so that it fitted well. And then I would put the fitted sheet over the top. Now, I obviously recommend mattresses with inner springs. Since having Kieran, or since having Killian, you know, my thoughts have moved on, and I was always recommend a mattress with inner springs, something like this, cut down into a cot size. Clearly you can't get that for a Stokke because it's curved, so this is the mattress you would use if you had a Stokke cot. And I just thought I'd share with you today how the Save Our Sleep bedding fits it. So again, you put the sheet on, turn it upside down, so this is your normal rectangle sheet, turn it upside down and pull it in like so. And then you would turn it into the cot and make sure it's even and well fitted. So I would always check that it wasn't raising the mattress at all, and I would always make sure it was pulled in quite firmly. And then do your safe hand test. Make sure your handprint isn't left in it. Now I would go around and, you know, pull it in a bit more under and so on, but that shows you that you can use it. It's safe, it's not lifting the mattress. If it was lifting the mattress, you wouldn't use it. So that's how you use the Save Our Sleep Mattress Protector and the Save Our Sleep sheets in your round cot. Thanks for listening. Bye.